Good afternoon, YouTubers, and welcome to my channel. I am not the best talker, so I'm just going to be myself, and I'm going to go with the flow, and explain to you how it was to install the SW-MOTECH Crash Bar, SW-MOTECH bottom engine guard, and SW-MOTECH front and rear axle sliders. So this is not my bike, this is my friend's bike, but I've been riding motorcycles since I am 16. I am now 41. So I have about 25 years of experience of riding and doing slight adjustments. So this is a 2023 Multistrada V4 S, and my friend got it brand new from the dealership. Beautiful bike. Probably one of the best adventure bikes you can own if you have the money. Not cheap at $27,000 MSRP plus tax and fees, but in any case, it came without the guards and without the crash bars. So we decided to order 2 weeks ago the complete set, which was about $929 from the website at SW-MOTECH, and it arrived a couple of days ago, and today I got to install them. So I don't know how to edit the videos, so I couldn't show you the process, but if you don't have experience with tools and haven't been doing this for a while on small things like wheel changes and doing your own oil change, don't do it. Take it to a professional. But if you're like me and you're a slight amateur professional in your mind, and you have the right tools and you have about 4 hours, go ahead and do it. So the bottom was fairly easy to put on, as I thought at first. Then it took a lot of adjusting with these guys here on both sides. The crash bars were a little bit harder, especially once I had to get the middle bar on, but luckily everything fit, and I saved the easiest for last. The axle sliders were very simple. Now, guys, let me just tell you, follow the instructions, make sure you have all the tools, and it's a really, really huge addition to your motorcycle, any motorcycle, especially if you have an adventure and you're gonna go off-road. You have to have the proper protection. Thank you for coming to my page. Thank you for watching my video. Please excuse my inexperience with talking and making videos. Hit the like button if you like it. If you don't like it, keep it real, hit the dislike. Anyways, everybody have a wonderful day, and thank you for coming to my page.